Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. NZD USD again recedes from 0.6700 on RBNZ's Bascand, China PMI in focus. http ntvforex.com News ID 28D23A. 4 minutes ago. By Anil Panchal. NZD USD repeats Tuesday's pullback from 0.6703, the highest since January 3, 2020. RBNZ's Bascand sounds cautiously optimistic while expecting some time before full economic recovery. US dollar weakness keeps Antipodeans strong against all odds. China's NBS manufacturing, non-manufacturing PMIs to soften in July. NZD USD marks another retreat from 0.6700 while easing to 0.6690 amid the early Friday morning in Asia. The Kiwi pair recently weighed down by cautious tone of the RBNZ Deputy Governor Jeff Bascand. Though, bulls remain hopeful as the US dollar index DXY stays near the 26.5-month low. RBNZ's Bascand placates bulls. The RBNZ policymaker Bascand spoke on the banking post-COVID-19 during the initial New Zealand session. The speech focused more on how the Kiwi bankers should manage their pockets as the economy edges up from the pandemic. Though, his cautious comments over the pace of the recovery gained major attention of market skeptics. Read RBNZ's Bascand expects some time before full economic recovery. Elsewhere, U.S. President Donald Trump's signals that the long-term shutdown is possible, as well as local lockdowns in the UK, are challenging the market sentiment and pulling the quote backward from the multi-month high. It should also be noted that downbeat comments from the U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo, concerning Iran, offer additional burden on the NZD USD prices. Furthermore, uncertainty surrounding the U.S. Phase 4 fiscal package adds to the pair bulls' worries. The quote benefited from the US dollar's slump the previous day. The greenback had to bear the burden of devastating GDP, 32.9% QOQ versus 5% prior, following the Federal Reserve's dovish halt of Wednesday. Also negatively affecting the US currency were the rigorously rising coronavirus COVID-19 cases. On the contrary, the pandemic's resurgence in the largest customer Australia and global worries concerning the US fiscal package, not to forget about recovery in macroeconomics, also probe the pair bulls. It's worth mentioning that New Zealand's ANZ Roy Morgan consumer confidence for July slipped from 104.5 prior to 104.3 and offered additional reason to question the pair's upside move. Amid all these plays, Wall Street benchmarks flashed mildly negative closing, with Nasdaq being an exception with 0.43%, whereas US 10-year Treasury yields revisited the all-time low of 0.536% flashed in March. Looking forward, China's July month official manufacturing and non-manufacturing PMI are likely to flash soft numbers and may negatively affect the pair prices. However, any positive surprises will be enough for the pair to challenge the yearly top surrounding 0.6740. Forecasts suggest that Chinese manufacturing PMI may recede from 50.9 to 50.7 with non-manufacturing PMI likely stepping back from 54.4 to 51.2. Technical analysis. Unless declining below 0.6638, comprising an ascending trend line from June 30, the NZD USD pair is less likely to stop attacking the yearly top of 0.6741, needless to mention December 31, 2019 high of 0.6756 as the following resistance. Additional important levels. Overview. Today last price. 0.6689. Today daily change. 19 pips. Today daily change percent. 0.28%. Today daily open. 0.667. Trends. Daily SMA 20. 0.6588. Daily SMA 50. 0.6464. Daily SMA 100. 0.6229. Daily SMA 200. 0.6354. Levels. Previous daily high. 0.668. Previous daily low. 0.664. Previous weekly high. 0.6691. Previous weekly low. 0.6538. Previous monthly high. 0.6585. Previous monthly low. 0.6186. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 0.6665. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 0.6655. Daily Pivot Point S1. 0.6647. Daily Pivot Point S2. 0.6623. Daily Pivot Point S3. 0.6606. Daily Pivot Point R1. 0.6687. Daily Pivot Point R2. 0.6704. Daily Pivot Point R3. 0.6728. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.